First, I want to start by letting my judge know that I understand slavery is not okay because we're hurting humans. None of us are exactly alike, but a human is a human. An animal and a human are different, yet share similarities. Animal testing is not like slavery because they don't have the capacity to create, imagine, and learn. That's what I want my judge to understand. That's why animal testing should continue. Not only humans, but also animals, pets, livestock, and wildlife benefit from animal-based research. Almost every discovery, antibiotics, anesthetics, surgical techniques, developed through studies with animals. It also has a positive effect on veterinary medicine. What pain medication we use at hospitals can also be used to aid animals in injury and helping find cures for their sickness as well. Animal testing can help humans find new technology for medicine. For instance, sharks rarely get cancer, cockroaches can regenerate damaged nerves, and some amphibians can regrow lost limbs. By studying these animals, we may learn how they accomplish these remarkable feats and apply the principles to human medicine. Animal research has played a vital role in virtually every major medical advance of the last century, for both human and animal health. From antibiotics to blood transfusions, from dialysis to organ transplants, from vaccinations to chemotherapy, bypass surgery and joint replacement, practically every present-day protocol for the prevention, treatment, cure, and control of disease, pain, and suffering is based on knowledge attained through research with animals. Within the American animal rights movement is a vocal anti-research element that dismisses the importance of animal studies, claiming that the result of animal research can't be applied to human health. However, physicians and researchers overwhelmingly agree that animal systems provide invaluable and irreplaceable insights into human systems because they are strikingly similar between our physiological and genetic systems. Researchers have a moral obligation to use all tools available to enhance our ability to prevent, diagnose, and treat disease in people and animals. To address the false negatives and false positives my opponent brought up, with his example of penicillin and the distribution of it because it didn't work on rabbits. Is it our fault that a human test wasn't done to see if the results differed? Perhaps. But now we know we can do animal and human trials, so we know for sure whether or not a drug works. My opponent brings up the fact, was animal testing really needed to cure some of the diseases I mentioned in my first speech? Well, to that I ask, how else are we going to cure them besides using humans? And would you rather test on animals to save humans, or test on humans and kill as many humans as you save? Obviously, I would rather kill animals, or at least test on them. Going along with this is my opponent mentioning that all animals should have the same rights as humans. But animals haven't built miracles, haven't created new technologies. Why do they deserve the same rights as humans when we have done this and more? I fail to see how my opponent provided that answer. As well as this point, my judge should know why the government doesn't owe animals to protect them like they do humans. The government doesn't control animals, they control people. Why should they protect animals if they don't have any say over them? There's a big difference between the two and our development. I hope my judge understands the reasons I have presented as to why all animal testing should be banned, and I hope you vote opposition.